Digital Therapeutics, DTX, Global Startup Deep Dive Analysis Q1 2025 Report Part 3, Chronic Conditions, Pain Management and Musculoskeletal, MSK, Disorders Executive Summary. This report provides a comprehensive overview of the rapidly evolving landscape of digital therapeutics, DTX, innovation, with a detailed mapping of 185 startups across 27 countries and 252 distinct DTX products. These DTX solutions span a wide array of health conditions, ranging from mental health and chronic diseases to substance use disorders, musculoskeletal conditions, sleep disorders, and developmental disabilities. This global snapshot offers critical insights into the maturity, diversity, and geographical distribution of digital therapeutics across key therapeutic areas. The evaluation process is powered by an AI-agent-powered digital health evaluation platform, which scores each product based on three foundational pillars: general well-being, usability, accessibility, lifestyle integration, and cost, scientific validation, clinical evidence, medical rigor, and peer-reviewed support, and medical compliance. Regulatory approvals such as FDA, CE mark, DiGA listing, HIPAA and GDPR adherence. The tier classification system enables an objective benchmarking of the therapeutic quality and maturity of digital interventions. Products are categorized from top tier, scores between 9.0 and 10, down to the fourth tier, 6.0 to 6.99. Based on their average composite scores across the three evaluation dimensions. Startups that achieve top-tier recognition represent the gold standard of the industry, characterized by strong scientific evidence, regulatory approvals, clinical integration, and scalable design. Leading companies in this category include Cara Health, Hello Better, Click Therapeutics, Big Health, Swing Therapeutics, Applied VR, Glooko, WellDoc, Luminopia, and Florio, among others. These solutions often combine cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, biofeedback, artificial intelligence, gamification, virtual reality, VR, and wearables to deliver patient-centered, personalized therapeutic care. In terms of therapeutic focus, mental and behavioral health remains the most dominant and saturated category, with a broad variety of products addressing conditions such as depression, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, schizophrenia, burnout, and eating disorders. Many of these platforms are grounded in CBT and other evidence-based approaches like acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, motivational interviewing, MI, mindfulness, and neurofeedback. Notable entries include immersive VR-based therapies, AI-powered CBT platforms, TDCS-enabled neuromodulation devices, and therapist-guided hybrid models that integrate telehealth and app-based care. Several solutions have achieved DiGA reimbursement in Germany, FDA clearance in the US, and are beginning to scale internationally through strategic partnerships and regulatory expansion. Substance use disorder, SUD, therapeutics also represent a critical area of focus. A new generation of DTX products are targeting smoking cessation, opioid use disorder, OUD, and alcohol dependence by combining digital CBT modules, remote patient monitoring, RPM, behavioral rewards, and medication-assisted treatment, MAT. These platforms emphasize confidential, stigma-reducing access, integrating digital tools such as CO breath sensors, self-assessment modules, motivational content, and clinician-guided recovery programs. Companies addressing these conditions are often engaged in partnerships with pharmaceutical firms, public health entities, and commercial payers to ensure broader clinical adoption and reimbursement. Sleep-related digital therapeutics are also gaining traction, particularly those addressing chronic insomnia, sleep apnea, and disrupted sleep architecture. Most of these solutions leverage digital CBT for insomnia, CBTI, often validated through randomized controlled trials, RCTs, and include wearable integrated platforms, AI-powered diagnostics, and real-time data-driven interventions. Some of these products have been approved and reimbursed under regulatory frameworks like DiGA and MFDS, South Korea, while others have received FDA clearance or insurance coverage, reflecting a global recognition of sleep health as a pillar of preventive and behavioral medicine. Emerging areas such as digital therapeutics for women's health, cancer-related fatigue, pediatric neurodevelopmental conditions, ADHD, autism, and chronic gastrointestinal diseases further expand the DTX frontier. Particularly notable is the growth of pediatric and adolescent-focused platforms, which combine gamified cognitive training, eye-tracking diagnostics, biofeedback, and mobile-based interventions for attention deficits and learning disabilities. These products are frequently aligned with DSM-5 and ICD-10 standards and are often deployed in both educational and clinical settings. Additionally, DTX solutions for sexual wellness, trauma, postpartum depression, and vaginismus are building visibility within femtech, supported by DiGA certifications and clinical validation. Geographically, the innovation ecosystem is widely distributed, with active DTX startups emerging from the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Japan, South Korea, Israel, and several Nordic and Central European countries. Regulatory receptivity and reimbursement frameworks such as DiGA, Germany, MFDS, South Korea, PMDA, Japan, and the FDA, US, play a crucial role in shaping commercial pathways and product maturity. Increasingly, startups are leveraging interoperable technologies, clinician portals, electronic health record, integration, and digital biomarkers to position their solutions within broader healthcare infrastructures. The global DTX startup landscape in Q1 2025 is marked by growing scientific sophistication, expanding regulatory validation, and deeper integration into traditional and digital care pathways. This ongoing transformation is enabling scalable, patient-centered, and evidence-based interventions for a wide spectrum of health conditions, with the potential to revolutionize how therapeutic care is delivered, reimbursed, and personalized around the world. Versus chronic conditions, DTX focused on chronic conditions is entering a pivotal phase of maturity and global adoption, driven by a confluence of clinical necessity, regulatory endorsement, and scalable AI-based innovation. As of Q1 2025, over 50 evaluated DTX startups are advancing novel digital care models targeting a broad range of chronic conditions, including type 1 and type 2 diabetes, hypertension, obesity, and cardiovascular disease. Increasingly, these solutions are designed not only to manage chronic illness but to reverse its course, reduce complications, and improve quality of life. Leveraging real-time data integration, AI-guided decision support, and behavioral science, the current cohort of leading DTX platforms is reshaping the global chronic care landscape. 1. Top-tier analysis. Top-tier DTX companies in the chronic care domain represent a convergence of medical rigor, technological sophistication, and operational readiness. These platforms are not only cleared by regulatory bodies such as the FDA, CE, PMDA, and DiGA but are also reimbursed by national health systems or insurers, marking their real-world value. Among the most notable in this tier is Hygieia, USA, whose DNAV insulin guidance service utilizes AI to deliver precise, real-time insulin dosing recommendations for individuals with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Its FDA approval, Medicare reimbursement, and seamless integration with glucose meters position it as a gold standard in diabetes care automation. In Europe, Cara Care, now part of Mahana Therapeutics, exemplifies a holistic approach to comorbid chronic conditions. Its app targets IBS, IBD, celiac disease, and GERD, blending CBT, dietary guidance, and real-time mental health support. The product is both DiGA approved and FDA cleared, underlining its cross-border versatility. In diabetes, Glooko, USA, has developed an FDA-cleared mobile insulin dosing system that interfaces with over 95% of glucose monitoring devices, offering a comprehensive and interoperable solution for type 2 diabetes. Hedia, Denmark, with its CE Class IIB certified diabetes assistant, provides bolus insulin calculations based on CGM inputs and individual profiles, making it an effective day-to-day support tool. Meanwhile, WellDoc's BlueStar platform offers broad chronic disease support, integrating with over 400 devices and covering conditions ranging from prediabetes and hypertension to heart failure and obesity. Its embedded AI coaching system is tailored to individual users, reinforcing adherence and enabling proactive management. A standout from Asia is CureApp, Japan, whose CureApp HT was approved by the PMDA and reimbursed nationally in 2022. The app delivers personalized lifestyle interventions for hypertension management and has been validated through controlled trials like HERB-DH1. Solutions like Liver Healthcare, Denmark, and Lark Health, USA, represent the new face of behavior-driven chronic care. Liver's real-time coaching and IOMT-supported remote monitoring cover diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and obesity. Lark's suite of programs uses conversational AI to simulate the experience of a human coach, enabling scalable delivery across diabetes prevention, hypertension, and weight management, all within a CDC-recognized framework. These top-tier companies collectively demonstrate what is increasingly required for leadership in the chronic DTX field: real-time personalization, scalable automation, robust validation, and deep integration into health system workflows. 2. Second-tier analysis. Second-tier DTX solutions display significant potential, often occupying high-value niches or emerging as regional leaders. These companies tend to have one or two differentiating features, such as a proprietary AI algorithm, a unique delivery mechanism, or a strong reimbursement position, but may be earlier in their global regulatory journey or lack multi-condition capability. PerFood, Germany, is among the most notable in this tier, with its DiGA-approved apps Glooko for type 2 diabetes and Syncephaly for migraine prevention. Both utilize personalized dietary recommendations derived from continuous glucose monitoring and machine learning, with applications extending to conditions like obesity and PCOS. Another innovative player is Ampersand Health, UK, which has co-developed a suite of CE-marked tools with NHS partners for IBD, arthritis, and dermatologic conditions. The company focuses on reducing clinic dependency through self-management and expert-driven content. In North America, Omada Health offers a behavioral health-first approach to chronic condition prevention and management, integrating virtual coaching with data analytics for real-time feedback. Omada's suite spans type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and obesity, and is supported by payer partnerships across Canada and the US. Sidekick Health, Ireland, through its Zenadio platform, has entered the DiGA ecosystem with a gamified, personalized obesity treatment program. It also develops broader multi-chronic pathways that integrate behavioral science and motivational design. Other strong second-tier contenders include Vida Health, USA, known for its hybrid model combining wearable data with AI-powered and human-led interventions, and Virta Health, whose clinically validated reversal model for type 2 diabetes has disrupted traditional disease management through nutritional therapy and continuous monitoring. Click Therapeutics and closed-loop medicine represent the frontier of pharmaceutical DTX convergence, blending digital interventions with therapeutic compounds for enhanced adherence and optimized dosing. These second-tier companies are poised for rapid growth through regulatory expansion, payer contracting, or strategic partnerships. Their ability to evolve into top-tier contenders will depend on their success in scaling clinical trials, demonstrating cost-effectiveness, and improving patient adherence in diverse populations. 3. Third-tier analysis. Third-tier DTX startups often represent early-stage innovation or highly focused chronic condition interventions. While these companies may lack regulatory clearance or full clinical validation, they frequently introduce creative use cases, underserved populations, or localized deployment strategies that may evolve into scalable offerings. Examples include Kappa Health, Better Health, and Lupin Digital Health, which blend coaching, lifestyle medicine, and condition-specific education in areas like weight loss, cardiac rehabilitation, and gut health optimization. Solutions like Heartfish offer remote cardiac care with wearable integration and patient self-management, while Canary Health and Noom emphasize behavior change through digital coaching and community engagement. Though their solutions may be highly engaging or novel in design, these companies often face limitations related to payer adoption, integration, or regulatory recognition. Many are piloting within employer or wellness markets and may later pivot into more clinically regulated pathways. Nonetheless, the third tier includes valuable innovation pockets. For example, DTHX, Switzerland, is pursuing AI-personalized therapy delivery at scale, while Ready Care Control, Ireland, addresses cardiometabolic health via AI health coaching. These efforts indicate the growing interest in combining preventive care and digital engagement to delay or mitigate chronic disease onset. 4. Key trends and market drivers. Several critical trends are shaping the chronic DTX space in 2025. AI and personalization are now fundamental to product differentiation, with platforms using machine learning to optimize insulin dosing, dietary plans, behavioral coaching, and therapeutic content. Regulatory frameworks like DiGA, Germany, PMDA, Japan, and the FDA's breakthrough device designation in the US continue to drive clarity, enabling innovators to pursue reimbursement early in product development. Reimbursement is no longer nice to have, but a prerequisite for scale. Nearly all top-tier companies have secured public or private coverage, especially in Europe and Japan. Another major trend is the fusion of mental and physical chronic care, as seen in platforms like Vida Health and WellDoc, recognizing that conditions like diabetes and hypertension often co-occur with stress, anxiety, or depression. Multi-condition and modular platforms are gaining traction. Companies capable of supporting diverse conditions, either through modular app frameworks or centralized AI engines, are more attractive to payers, providers, and health systems seeking integrated solutions. 5. Opportunities and strategic implications. Top-tier companies are well positioned to lead population-level care models in diabetes, obesity, and hypertension through global payer partnerships, health system integration, and licensing strategies. Second-tier startups may accelerate their trajectory by pursuing cross-border regulatory approvals, generating real-world evidence, or forming alliances with pharmaceutical firms, device makers, or air vendors. Third-tier innovators have significant potential to partner with academic institutions or address niche markets in pediatric care, underserved communities, or preventive health. Across the board, the growing maturity of digital infrastructure, IoMT, APIS, virtual care, will support tighter integration and more longitudinal patient engagement. VI. Pain management and musculoskeletal, MSK, disorders. DTX addressing pain management and musculoskeletal, MSK, disorders is rapidly transforming the future of non-pharmacological care. Chronic pain and MSK-related conditions remain among the leading contributors to global disability and healthcare expenditures, with growing demand for scalable, accessible, and evidence-based alternatives to opioids and in-clinic physical therapy. Digital solutions in this space are increasingly recognized for their ability to deliver clinically validated interventions that integrate physical rehabilitation, behavioral therapy, and neuroplastic pain modulation through a variety of technologies such as eye-driven motion analysis, immersive virtual reality, biofeedback, and mobile cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. As of Q1 2025, more than 40 leading digital therapeutic solutions across North America, Europe, and Asia have been evaluated for their clinical rigor, technological innovation, and regulatory or commercial readiness. This report offers a structured, tier-based analysis of these emerging players and identifies strategic opportunities within this dynamic and clinically consequential digital health vertical. 1. Top-tier analysis. Cara Health stands at the forefront with its AI-powered motion analysis platform that offers a sensor-free, app-based alternative to traditional physical therapy. Certified by Germany's DiGA and supported by real-world evidence, Cara delivers a clinically validated blend of physical therapy, CBT, and pain education. Its ease of use, lack of hardware dependency, and broad reimbursement footprint make it a global benchmark in digital MSK care. Hinge Health has emerged as one of the most comprehensive digital MSK clinics, combining wearable sensors, AI-driven motion tracking, personalized exercise plans, and real-time coaching. It has achieved wide payer integration in the United States, particularly through employer-sponsored health plans. Hinge Health exemplifies how digital platforms can emulate and extend the scope of multidisciplinary in-person MSK care. Sword Health's digital solution offers an alternative to in-clinic therapy through AI-guided rehabilitation and predictive analytics. The company is notable for addressing both chronic MSK conditions and women's health pain domains such as pelvic pain and postpartum recovery. With its FDA listing and expanding presence in the United States and Europe, Sword Health is positioning itself as a longitudinal pain care platform grounded in both biomechanical and behavioral therapy. Applied VR has broken new ground in immersive pain therapy through Relieve VRX, the first FDA-approved virtual reality digital therapeutic for chronic lower back pain. Combining cognitive behavioral therapy, relaxation exercises, and immersive distraction techniques, AppliedVR's platform is reimbursed under the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services (CMS) Durable Medical Equipment (DME) category, making it a pioneering product in VR-based neurocognitive pain modulation. Swing Therapeutics offers a highly specialized solution for fibromyalgia with its FDA-cleared mobile app, Stanza. This solution delivers acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, and CBT in a structured, daily format that targets not only pain intensity but also the psychological comorbidities associated with fibromyalgia, such as sleep disturbance and emotional distress. Swing's behavioral science approach reflects a deeper understanding of the interplay between chronic pain and mental health. Jogo Health introduces a distinct neurophysiological approach to pain management with its EMG biofeedback system. Its Jogo CLBP product, granted FDA breakthrough device status and reimbursed by Medicare, helps retrain dysfunctional neuromuscular patterns associated with chronic low back pain. The platform represents a clinically innovative, non-invasive strategy that addresses chronic pain through neuroplasticity and muscle control retraining. Theranica's Nervio device extends the scope of DTX to migraine management. This FDA-cleared wearable uses remote electrical neuromodulation to stimulate peripheral nerves in the upper arm, activating endogenous pain inhibition pathways. Controlled via a smartphone app, Nervio allows patients to track, manage, and prevent migraines without the need for pharmacologic intervention. 2. Second-tier analysis. Second-tier digital therapeutics in this space is characterized by strong clinical promise, growing market presence, and often condition-specific specialization. While some are still advancing toward broad regulatory clearance or payer adoption, many have already demonstrated regional success and user acceptance. MetaMe Health's Regulora is the first FDA-cleared digital therapeutic to treat abdominal pain related to irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, using gut-directed hypnotherapy. The platform represents a significant advance in the treatment of functional gastrointestinal disorders and leverages behavioral therapy to address the brain-gut connection. Includa Health's MSK operating system uses computer vision and clinical intelligence to provide remote therapeutic monitoring for MSK care. It is FDA Class II listed and HIPAA compliant, targeting provider workflows and integrations rather than direct-to-consumer markets. Joint Academy offers a CE-marked and insurer-supported platform for treating osteoarthritis and low back pain. Based in Sweden, its app delivers guided physical exercises and therapeutic education, supported by real-time interaction with licensed therapists. Similarly, Vivera Health Lab has developed a DiGA-approved app in Germany for back pain rehabilitation. Both solutions demonstrate success in public payer environments and are well-positioned for geographic expansion. Karuna Labs provides a novel combination of VR exposure therapy, CBT, and neuroplasticity-focused rehabilitation for patients suffering from chronic pain and pain-related movement fear. Its home-based program incorporates virtual embodiment and personalized coaching to address both the sensory and emotional components of chronic pain. 3. Third-tier analysis. Third-tier digital therapeutics represent early-stage innovations or niche applications within pain and MSK care. While many of these platforms show significant promise, they are still in the process of generating robust clinical evidence, achieving regulatory milestones, or securing commercial reimbursement. Move UP, based in Belgium, offers a tele-rehabilitation platform that supports post-surgical and MSK patients through remote monitoring and AI-personalized treatment plans. EVA-EX in South Korea delivers a multidisciplinary pain management approach that combines personalized rehabilitation with CBT, particularly targeting anterior knee pain and low back pain. Although still emerging in international markets, it reflects the growing interest in pain-specific digital therapeutics across Asia. Omada Health, primarily known for its digital programs in diabetes and behavioral health, has begun integrating MSK care into its platform. Its MSK offerings are part of a broader chronic condition suite and leverage augmented reality and remote coaching, though they have yet to receive FDA clearance specifically for pain-related indications. 4. Key trends and market drivers. The convergence of digital physical therapy, behavioral science, and immersive technologies is reshaping the future of pain and MSK management. Multimodal delivery is becoming the norm, with top-tier platforms integrating sensor technology, CBT, coaching, and real-time feedback into a single therapeutic experience. The rise of behavioral pain management tools, particularly those rooted in CBT and ACT, reflects a growing consensus that chronic pain must be addressed as a biopsychosocial phenomenon rather than purely a physical issue. Regulatory and payer ecosystems are maturing as well, with the FDA, DiGA, and CMS now offering viable pathways for digital pain therapeutics. Sensor-free solutions that utilize computer vision or mobile-only platforms are gaining traction due to their scalability and ease of implementation, especially in remote or underserved populations. 5. Opportunities and strategic implications. Top-tier digital therapeutics companies in this space are well-positioned for strategic growth through payer partnerships, enterprise health adoption, and cross-border expansion. Their clinically validated, reimbursable products provide a competitive advantage in negotiating with health systems and large employers. Second-tier companies can accelerate their market presence by pursuing regulatory clearances, expanding to new regions, or entering licensing partnerships with distributors and digital health aggregators. Third-tier startups may benefit from co-development opportunities with academic institutions or integration into niche settings such as postoperative rehab, pediatric orthopedics, or community pain clinics. Across the board, there is increasing opportunity for convergence between MSK and behavioral pain platforms, particularly in bundling solutions for comorbid conditions like sleep, anxiety, and depression.